What's the difference between wealth management and financial planning? Now, many use these terms really interchangeably, but they serve distinct purposes in managing your finances. My name is Shiraz Ahmed, and in this video, we're going to explore these differences in detail and provide you with a really clear understanding of both concepts. Alright, let's start with wealth management. Now, imagine you find yourself in this scenario. You've inherited a substantial sum of money, perhaps from a relative. Now, wealth management primarily deals with optimizing and preserving existing wealth. When you come into a significant windfall, for example, like an inheritance, a wealth planner's role is to assess your financial goals, your risk tolerance, and of course your tax implications. They create a customized plan to make sure your wealth continues to grow and benefit future generations. Now let's shift our focus a little bit to financial planning. Now think about another scenario here where, let's say you have a young child and you aspire to send them to a prestigious university. Now financial planning, on the other hand, is all about managing your day-to-day finances to achieve a specific short-term and of course longer-term goals. Now let's emphasize the differences between wealth management and financial planning. So from a focus standpoint, wealth management deals with optimizing and preserving existing assets to grow wealth over time. It's about managing what you already have. Financial planning manages your day-to-day financial life. With regards to goals, financial planning is goal-oriented, focusing on specific objectives like buying a home, funding education, or preparing for retirement. Time horizons, on the other hand, wealth management often has a more extended time horizon, looking at wealth preservation for future generations. Financial planning tends to be more immediate and more shorter term in nature. Wealth management involves considering higher risk investments for longer term growth, whereas financial planning may involve lower risk options for more immediate needs. Now let's consider another scenario here. You're in your mid-40s and you're thinking about your retirement. Here's where the lines between wealth management and financial planning can start to blur a little bit. A financial planner would step in to create a comprehensive retirement plan or retirement projection. This includes strategies for saving, investing, and making necessary lifestyle adjustments to ensure a comfortable retirement. So in conclusion, wealth management is about managing and growing existing wealth, often with a longer-term perspective in mind. It's like tending to a garden, ensuring that it thrives over time. Financial planning, on the other hand, is about achieving your life goals through effective financial strategies, often with shorter-term focus with longer-term objectives as well. It's like setting a roadmap to reach a specific destination. Now, if you found this video helpful in understanding the differences between wealth management and financial planning, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more financial insights. Let us know if you have any specific questions, and I'm going to put my contact details at the end of this video for other financial topics that you'd like us to explore in future videos. I want to thank you for joining us today, and remember that wealth management and financial planning is all about making informed decisions today that can lead you to a more secure and prosperous tomorrow. Until next time, please take care of your financial future and stay safe out there, and of course, make the most of your wealth and financial plans. Bye for now.